Hey again. If you like animated text effects, this short tutorial is just for you. The best part is that you can create cool text effects, using the free version of DaVinci Resolve. First, drag your media files onto the timeline. Select all the clips, right-click, and choose Change Clip Duration. Set the duration to 2 seconds, and press Enter. Now arrange your clips in the order you want. Next, go to Effects, then Generators, and drag 3D Text Rotate onto the timeline. Change its duration to 2 seconds, select it, and adjust it in the inspector. Type your text. Choose your font. And change the color and size. Now preview the text effect. Now drag another 3D text rotate over the second clip, and set its duration to 2 seconds. In the inspector, type your text, select top to bottom, and adjust the font, color, and size again. Now preview the text effect. For the third clip, use 3D text zoom. Drag it onto the timeline, set its duration to 2 seconds, and customize it in the inspector just like before. Now preview the text effect. Next, drag the blob's transition onto the timeline, change its duration to 3 seconds, and place it at the end. Type a new name in the inspector. Change the font. And adjust the colors so they match the other transitions. Now drag solid color under blobs, to change the background. Place it below the blobs, and set the color to match London's text. Now preview the text effect. To make everything play smoothly, add video transitions. Drag cross dissolve between each clip on the video 1 track. Select all the transitions, click the last one, then hold Shift and click the first transition. Then in the inspector set their duration to 5 seconds. You've just created cool animated text effects that are perfect for YouTube intros, titles, and creative video editing.